So children, morning, when I asked you about the idli dosa, I told we can eat idli dosa with chutney, sambar and all the things. And rice and roti we eat with dal. So sambar, chutney, dal, these are all made up of what you know? It's all made up of? Yes, pulses. Yes, these are our pulses. Come on, see. Green gram, tuvar dal, urad dal. You know what is this? This is called urad dal, which we can make idli dosa. Okay, and tuvar dal and green gram. Generally we make dal out of them, and these are all dried green peas. Okay, generally we can make curry out of it. They are all good in proteins. And you know what is this? Yes, egg. Morning as a breakfast you can eat egg. Okay, it's good in protein. So children, pulses are rich in proteins. We can eat either in the form of dal, curry, idli, dosa and all. Okay, pulses are rich in proteins. And what these proteins give? They gives us healthy skin tissues, and they help to build the tissues in our body. Yes, our skin is made up of lot of tissues, out of which these proteins, that means pulses and all, they help to give good tissues. Yes, very good. They gives us even strength. So dal, idli, dosa, these are all made up of pulses like tuvar dal, green gram, urad dal and green peas, and there are lot more pulses which we can take in our food. And as I told you, egg is very rich in proteins. You can eat daily one. Okay, so this pulses, egg and all the things we can have minimum of 2 times daily. Okay, very good. You should take 2 times daily these pulses. So children, till now what we saw? We saw happy, carrot and apple, which are good in all the nutrients, and they fight with diseases, and they stand first in the row. Okay, apple and carrot, they are very good in nutrients, that means fruits and vegetables. So first we saw about fruits and vegetables. Next comes to the happy cereals, that is rice wheat. That means the boiled rice and pulka or wheat bread, this all comes into cereals. And I told you, when we eat them, we get lot of energy. And next we saw about happy milk, which are good sources of calcium. That means builds our bones. Yes, they build the bones. We can fight palm wrestling with Papa and our friends. Yes, this is happy milk, which is rich in calcium. And we talk about pulses, which are rich in proteins. That is pulses like tuvar dal, green gram, urad dal, which help to make idli, dal and all. And even we talk about egg, which is good sources of protein. Yes, And children, we eat this all with a little bit of help of oils, that is good fats like butter and cooking oil. They are rich in good fats. We should eat whenever they are required. We should not eat too much of oils. These vegetables and pulses, everything, they are needed to cook in oil, but with a little bit. Whenever they are required only, we need to use them. Butter and cooking oil. Okay, you should take care that you should not eat too much of oils. Okay, they are rich in fat, but limited fat is very good. Too much of fat will increase the cholesterol. Later you cannot play. You will become like Mr. Junkie, who always sits dull in the class if he eat too much of oil. Okay, the food with less oil will give us good energy and rich in nutrients. Okay, so you should eat very limited of oils like butter and vegetable oil. Okay, and children, the last is junky. Yes, which we should eat once in a month. Yes, we should not eat too much. If we eat too much, we will become like Mr. Junkie, always sad in the class. And we will be in confused state and we won't understand what teacher says. So we should eat once in a month. Come on, tell me, what are the junky food you know? No, I know, but you are not telling me. I know that. Pizza. You all like it. Yes? Yes, we love it because it has got good flavors and all. But children, you should see that once or a while it is okay. But you should eat in very, very, very limited. If not, we will become like a Mr. Junkie who is always dull. Okay? You should always eat good food and we should avoid the junk food. Even ice creams make us dull. Too much of ice creams has got lot of cholesterol, bad fat and all. Okay, so always you should eat good food. You should avoid the bad food so that you will be energetic. You can play with your friends and you can understand what ma'am said in your class and you can be a smart shade like carrot. As I told, carrot is a superhero. If you eat good food, you can become like a happy carrot. Okay, see how smiley our carrot is and how sad our junkie is. So you want to be like junkie or carrot? Yes, you want to be like a happy carrot. I know that. So children, you should eat always good food, okay? To get good energy and good in sources of calcium, protein and all, okay? Did you get my point? Very good. Now children, when I told you that about fruits and vegetables, what I told? I told that the fruits and vegetables will sit in the first row in our class. Yes, because they won't allow diseases to come inside our class. Because we children, we need to be happy, no? So, this fruits and vegetables, they sit in the first row in the class. They sit in the first row in the class. They won't allow the diseases to come inside our class. As I said you, an apple a day gives doctor away. Yes, in that case, our fruits and vegetables sit in the first row in our class. And how many servings we need to take daily? Yes, 5 to 7 servings. Either you can have milkshake, you can have juice, you can have curries. And even in the salads, you can take fruits and vegetables. Okay, children? Oh, you like with the corn? Very good, very good. You can eat whatever you want in a good form, but not too much of oil. Okay, children? So, children, after next to the fruits and the vegetables, what I told? Who will sit? Yes, cereals like rice, wheat. So, the boiled rice, pulka and wheat bread, they all come in the next row. They are all rich in carbohydrates, which gives us energy. You can play. Okay, as I told, in the batteries in our toys and petrol in Papa's bike, they all give energy. In the same way, the rice, pulka, they all give good energy. Okay, next comes what? I told you next comes milk, happy milk. Yes, after carbohydrates, we need milk products which are rich in calcium and they build our bones. We can play sports. Okay, milk in the form of either paneer, curd and milk. We can have these milk products which are rich in calcium. And I told you how many times we need to take? 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Either in the form of milk, curd, paneer, cheese. Okay? Very good. So, fruits, cereals, milk, they are all rich in good sources of food. Next comes pulses. Yes, pulses and egg, which are rich in proteins, which build the tissues in our body. And children, you need to eat dal and egg daily. Okay, minimum of 2 servings a day. Minimum of 2 servings, like egg in the morning breakfast you will eat and dal in the lunch. That was done with the 2 servings and you get good source of protein. Yes, it's a very easy deal, no? So you can make a deal with mama that only 2 servings of proteins. Mama won't understand. Then you can say that egg and dal is done with my servings, mama. Very good. And next is what I told, a minimum of oil and butter. Okay, all the foods which mama cooks, mama uses a little of oil in everything. That is enough for us, which is good in fats. Okay, don't eat too much of fat. If you eat too much of fat like oils and butters, what I told, you will become like sad junkie. Okay, don't eat too much of oils, children. Okay, once or a while it is okay, but you should not eat too much of oils. All the vegetables and pulses, whatever mama makes, will use little bit of oil, which is good source of fat. Okay, very good. And as I told you, once or a while in a month you need to eat a little only of junk food, that is pizza or ice creams, sweets. Lot of sugars make us dull. Okay, lot of sugar make us dull. So once or a while only you need to take this all. Okay, children, don't use too much of junk food, then you will become like a sad junkie. Okay, so this food like first we need to have more amount of fruits and vegetables. Next comes cereals like rice, roti and all. And next comes happy milky, which are good in bones and teeth. Next comes pulses, that is good in tissues. Proteins, okay, their pulses are good in proteins. Yes, so you need to take minimum of 2 servings of proteins. So you should ask Mama that I will take 2 servings of proteins, Mama. Okay, and as I told you, a little amount of oils and junk food once in a while. Okay, when you get good marks or when you get anything special on your birthdays, you can have junk food. The rest you should not eat. If you eat, you will become dull in the class. Okay, so children, we saw about lot of food, which food is healthy to us and which food is unhealthy. Okay, and which food we need to eat more and which food we need to eat less. Apart from that, you know, one thing is very important to us, that is water. Water is a champion of food. Okay, daily we need to drink 8 glasses of water. Okay, a big bottle of water is required for us. Okay, children, please drink water. Okay. Okay, now shall we see about the healthy plate? As we saw about the lot of food, now I will tell how to maintain our plate. Okay, then you can ask Mama to give the food according to that. Okay, because we saw about more food, but we don't know now how to manage our plate, how food we should manage. Okay, now we will see about the healthy plate. Are you all ready? So children, shall we see the healthy plate? Our plate should have more amount of fruits and vegetables. As I told you, we should eat more fruits and vegetables either in the form of curry or in the form of raw. Okay, and the fruits like apple, banana, grapes, anything you can eat as a salad. Okay, now the next part comes cereals. What I told about rice, wheat, like boiled rice, wheat, pulka, chapati, bread. This all comes under cereals. We need to have the half plate of that with good cereals. And next is the pulses, proteins, that is high proteins like pulses, egg, fish, meat. This all comes under good high proteins. And apart from this, as I told you, you need to have with along with a good fat, butter and a glass of water. This should be our healthy plate with fruits, vegetables. As a half of the plate, it should be fruit and vegetables, and the next part will be shared with good cereals like rice, wheat, which are like boiled rice, pulka, bread, anything. And next part comes pulses. Okay, 3 servings of that, 5 to 7 servings of this and 2 servings of this. Yes, that is fish, meat, pulses like tuvar dal, moong dal, anything, egg. Okay, this forms our healthy food with oils like fats, butter and a glass of water. Okay children, please try to eat our healthy plate. You can play with your friends healthily and happily and energetic. Okay? Okay, now we will do our textbook activity. So children, we have seen about the lot of fruits in different groups like fruits and vegetables, cereals, proteins, fats and all other things. So now shall we try to write the names of some fruits, grains, proteins, vegetables and dairy products? Okay, come on now, tell me. What fruits did we see today in our fruit basket? Yes, apple. Shall we write apple? You know the spelling of apple? Yes, it starts with A, P, P, L, E. Apple. It is apple. And one more fruit. Yes, banana, which starts with banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. So, in the food groups, fruits, what we wrote? Apple, banana. Okay. Next, what is this? Grains. What the grains that we saw? Cereals. What mama makes? Boiled rice and pulka. What are the grains called? Rice and wheat. First, shall we write rice? R-I-C-E, rice, and wheat, V-E, wheat, W-H-E-A-T, wheat, W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Next is proteins. I told proteins, which helps to build the tissues. I told we will eat along with the rice, pulka. And morning we eat, what is the shape of oval shape? Yes, correct. It's proteins. That means egg. And some pulses. So, egg, pulses, which comes under proteins. Next, what are the vegetables that we saw today? Which is good for our eyes. What I told you? Yes, it's carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. And what else? Yes, lady's finger. And dairy products. Happy milk. Yes, milk and curd. Milk and curd. So the foods are apple, banana. Grains, rice, wheat. Proteins, egg, pulses. Vegetables, carrot, lady's finger. Dairy products, milk, curd. Wow, we have seen so many food items in our food group. Good. Did you write, children? Write slowly. Okay. Children, did you all write this? Food groups. Okay. In the fruits, we wrote apple and banana. In grains, we wrote rice and wheat. In proteins, we wrote egg and pulses. In vegetables, carrot, lady's finger. In dairy, milk and curd. Did you do that? Very good. Clap to you all. As you are eating good food, you will do the work very good. Now, shall we arrange our food plate with food images? Are you all ready? Come on, let's do it. Children, did you all enjoy making your own healthy plate? So, daily be prepared to make your own healthy plate. Ask Mama to give fruits, vegetables and good cereals and high protein food. Okay, which makes you happy like our happy milk, happy carrot, happy cereals, and happy apple. See how happy they are looking. If we eat good healthy food, we will be happy. Nice eating habits makes us energetic, happy and big smile. Okay children, did you all enjoy today's class? Yes, because it's a healthy class. Okay, meet you in the next class. Bye bye, see you.